Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Jaguar 2.2 diesel shooting brake estate. Quite rare to come by in the estate. It's got the privacy glass. It's like a gleaming grey black colour. It's in fabulous condition. It's got the electric opening tailgate. Lovely condition in the boot. It's got the rear parcel shelf as well. Inside it has full black leather interior. In lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Show you inside there. Start the car up. It's 113,035 miles. The air vents open as well when you do the climate control. Got the reverse camera, satellite navigation, full media pack and climate control. Bluetooth connectivity, got aux and USB, a little button there, opens the glove box, got paddle shift on the gearbox as well, cruise control, very well spec'd. DJH are full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please just call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.